shit about that. Oh fuck it. I just woke up and I'm gonna go watch my car. You already know, man. We gotta get ready. I'm gonna go to a meet today, and I have a video I haven't posted. It's already done and everything. Just I haven't posted it because it's not on my computer. I didn't have one. It was on my friends, and then but I'm gonna try to post it today, hopefully. And today I'm gonna get some content too for the new video I want to do. So I'm right now I'm making this badass coffee. Look at this. Oh my god, look at it, look at it. Ooh, delicious. And then I'm gonna go somewhere else, just see if I can get some good content. I don't know, just walk around, be talking to you, anything, you know. And well, I'll see you there. Oh yeah, I took a shower, quick shower, and then I just got ready. I'm at the park right now. I just got ready for the park, and came to walk my dog. What is you smelling, huh? What is you smelling? Oh, I'm walking my dog right now. Later on, I'm gonna go to a car meet, big ass car meet. Supposedly it's gonna be big and this and that. So I'm gonna go to a car meet, see what's up. This nigga peeing on the pole. Oh yeah. So that's what I'm doing now. Oh, I probably go alone to the car meet. Nobody's down to go. So I'm probably gonna go alone. It's probably not gonna be as fun. I'm gonna try to make good content, you know. So fuck it. It is what it is, right? Fuck. So we out here. This nigga wanted to take a shit. I was like, nigga, please not now. Well, I might just let him do whatever he gotta do, you know. Vente para acá. Ali, ¿qué está haciendo? Bruno. 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 Vente para acá. He's over there walking, you know. He happy as fuck. Hey, Bruno. 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 God damn it, he's not listening. Bruno. Bruno. Come here. He gets scared because of the fucking bee. Let's go. I'm probably gonna be here for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna go home, change, and go downtown probably. Wish me luck. Hopefully this day is a good day. I have a lot stuff planned. Hopefully it goes well. Right? Hey, Bruno. Big ass nigga. We've been here for like 45 minutes. This dog already got tired. I'ma just take him home. I didn't bring no water, and he's already tired as fuck. So I'm gonna take him home so he can drink water. Whew, we were running, dude. Even I got tired. Alright, I'll see you later. What's happening? Right now I was working on the computer, and then right now I'm gonna just go put some gas, and then I'm gonna go get Luis. I'm gonna go pick up Luis, and then from there we're gonna go to the car meet. It's a big ass car meet they have right now, and well, we're just gonna go check it out, you know. They say it's gonna be badass. It started like at 5. I didn't want to go by myself, so I was like, I might just wait for Luis, and I'm gonna go see what's up. I'm gonna go see what's up with Luis, you know. What's up with that nigga? Oh fuck, I need to turn around. Yeah, so I didn't want to go by myself, so I might just wait for Luis. I was like, I might as well just wait for Luis. And and that's what I did, right? So I'm gonna just put gas real quick and I'm gonna go get him.
Let's make this one. Let's make this one. Money.
We decided to leave that car because it was kind of lame. People would just be standing in front of the cars or sitting in front of the cars. We couldn't record the cars because we don't wanted to ask the people to move so we can take pictures of the car or just record. So we just decided to leave to another one close by my house. And before I left the car meet, I decided to just rev my car a little bit so people can hear my engine.
Bueno, pues un saludo al compa Paco con las cámaras.
Compa Edgar en el audio.
I'm gonna go the other way.
Si lo estoy manteniendo que tenemos, creo que sí.
Para que grabes el correo.
Márquele, compa.
Saludos para compa César, viejo. Se miró pasar un carro deportivo, blancas personalizadas van conmigo, cristales oscuros, le gusta la diferencia, el motor alterado listo para el arranco, un carácter fuerte y muy bueno para los negocios. Colorado, ahí tengo muy buenos socios. Hay que usar el cerebro para poder progresar. Valorar en la vida se tiene que batallar. Nacido en Michoacán, criado en California. Dejo borrachito, pero también te juicio.
Si no estaba trabajando, güey, si estuviera leve, güey, pero I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little tired, güey. I don't really want to drive.
Oi.
If anything, y'all want to pull up to the crib and just fucking drink, I'm down. I don't know if I want to go to that.
Go put me his eyes.
Si oíste a Luisito, güey.
What?
He's talking shit.
Oh, fuck him. Tell him, fuck you, bitch. You weren't out here doing the same shit I was doing, that's why.
Oh.
That's why you can talk shit, bitch.
Yeah, I was working too, so.
Es lo que tiene que ver, la chinga no es la misma.
¿Cómo no?
Cada chinga es diferente, papá.
Entonces, ¿qué, güey?
Un día a la semana trabajan.
Oh,
Los demás se lo pasan en la oficina.
dice que un día a la semana trabajas, güey.
No, güey, yo trabajo todos los días, güey.
Es el
¿Cómo
jefe.
chingados?
Oh, ya eres jefe, güey.
Yes, I've been off yesterday, today, and Sunday, but I'm still gonna be working because we're doing that route from Marina and then our house.
Mañana también.
Monday, yeah, tomorrow too. I gotta be there at 6.
Yo también.
A la
¿Y eso
verga.
qué, cabrón? ¿Tú qué, cabrón? Pues ven a pistear, cabrón. Tan pinche huevudo, ven a pistear tampoco, ¿eh?
Mañana te vas a levantar
Huevudo, saca
temprano.
los pinches huevos, cabrón.
¿A qué hora? ¿Vas a ir a trabajar, güey? ¿Te van a dar los 60?
¿No?
Entonces.
Aquí tengo el gemelo trabajando conmigo. We're about to drink in my house.
Ahorita te caemos, güey, porque aquí está la...
Agarrar los manguitos, güey.
Ahorita te caemos, güey, a ver qué. Porque estábamos aquí, güey, pero no hay muchos carros, güey.
No, ya está. Y no, si esto es un día de house también. Le digo, Si
Ya
te
es-
quiero un ratito, no hay pedo.
Ya estás, cabrón.
Ahora, Pocho, ahí los miramos.
Vale, pues, güey. Va.
Ay.
¿Vamos a caminar o nos quedamos? ¿Qué le hacemos a la verga? Hoy está prendido, güey. No. ¿Qué pasó? Encárgame lo mismo que cargues tú, está bien. Oh, encárgame la salchichona, la salchichona esa.
Te lo tengo para qué.
Ajá, la salchiburguesa. Ah, va. ¿Qué están dando aquí o qué pedo la verga? ¿Ah? ¿$2,000 te vendía?
Sí, me daban ganas de ponerle un pinche factory. O sea,
Le haces un hoyo al pinche hood, güey.
no bolt-on can. No pesa casi nada. It already had coilers. Yo tenía, it was like 295 tires. They were kind of wide already. Some road wheels. Nomás que it was like kind of...
Have a video to put as the outro, so I just decided to put a video of me writing the name of Kunkies on the sand. See you next time, bitches. I'm out.